Hi guys, it's me. Today we're going to learn how to record um, entries into a sales journal. I've taught you before how to record all transactions in a general journal, but today I'm going to teach you how to, and over the next few weeks, use special journals. Special journals basically make journalizing simpler. The first one is going to be a sales journal, and that's what we're going to be working with the next week or two. Anytime you make a sale of merchandise on credit, we're going to record it in a sales journal. Anytime you're going to purchase merchandise to sell on credit, you're going to use a purchase journal. And every time you receive cash, I'm going to teach you how to use a cash receipts journal. Anytime you pay out cash, I'm going to teach you how to how to journalize into cash payments. General journal is what you already know. A general journal, you could always journalize in a general journal, but the reason why you use these special journals is it makes journalizing easier and quicker, posting easier and quicker. I've taught you the general ledger, which is where you post, so this way you can find the balance of every account. Now I'm going to teach you the accounts receivable subsidiary ledger and the accounts payable subsidiary ledger. Now here's a sporting goods store where they have a lot more assets, a lot more liabilities, they have a lot more expenses, they have a new account I see there, sales returns and allowances. We have an interest income I'm going to teach you about. Cost of goods sold, that comes later on. Okay, now in a general journal, if you had transactions on January 3rd, 8th, 11th, and 15th, that would be 4 debits to accounts receivable, 4 credits to sales tax payable, 4 credits to sales, and 4 descriptions. Just this is what we would use. This is what we used to do. Now we're going to find an easier way to do it. And look, when we posted, we would have to post each one of those receivables, each one of those payables, and each one of the sales, which was cumbersome. So now when we use a sales journal, we're going to now just use one line, and then when we go to post, we're just going to post totals. Watch and see how easy it is. This is a receipt that on January 3rd, sales slip number 101, Ann Hahn, she purchased, made a sale. You sold her merchandise for $650 with sales tax, and she owes you $702. All on one line, no description. Saves so much time. That's what a sales journal. Those are all the people you bought stuff from you. That's how much they owe. That's how much tax you owe, and that's your sales. With a sales journal, like I said, you don't have to post individually. You're just going to post totals. What do I mean? Accounts receivable debit gets posted, that total, the sales credit, and the sales tax payable credit. The totals get posted, not the individual transactions like we did using the general journal. Saves so much time posting, and you know how much we hate to post. What are the advantages of a sales journal? It saves time and effort in recording space. It makes journalizing and posting more efficient. It requires only 3 postings in the general ledger at the end of the month. And you can divide the work, meaning one person can do a sales journal, one can do the purchase journal, one can do the cash receipts, and one can do the cash payments. And improves the audit trail. Hopefully, this makes journalizing in sales journal a lot easier. See you tomorrow.